Activity 1, Unit 2, Moment 4. Verbs in simple present tense and the variation for pronunciation he, she, it. Number 1. How is the form of verbs in simple present tense and the variation for pronouns he, she, it? Give an example conjugation of verb. To conjugate the present simple, we use the infinitive for the subject I, you, we, and them. For the third persons, he, she, and it, we add s and the end of the verb. Example, I talk, she talks. You eat, she eats. Number 2. Is the question form the variation for pronouns he, she, it? Give an example conjugating a verb. Is auxiliary verb do or does, subject in simple present, conjugation of verb. Example, do they learn? Does he eat? Number 3. How is the negative form and its variation for pronouns he, she, it? Give an example conjugating a verb. The negative form and its variation for pronouns he, she, it is doesn't más verb. Example, Carmen doesn't kiss her son. Number 4. How is the form of the past? Give an example of a regular verb and an irregular verb. Regular verbs. Miss, missed. Marry, married. Open, opened. Play, played. Irregular verbs. Arise, arose. Awake, awoke. Bear, bore. Number 5. How is the interrogative form in simple past? Give an example. Is did, subject, verb in infinitive form. Example, did they have? She see? Did she see? Did it go? Number 6. How is the negative form? Give an example conjugating a verb. Negative form is to be, didn't or did not, and verb in infinitive. Example, you didn't play tennis. Number 7. How are the two forms of future in English? Give one example of each one conjugation a verb for each one. Is pronoun, verb to be, going to, and complement. Example, she going to buy a new car. And the other is verb to be, will, and infinitive verb. Example, I will be late tomorrow. Number 8. How is the form of present continuous? Give an example of this conjugating a verb. The present continuous is the verb tense we use to describe actions that are occurring at this moment, that is, at the moment in which we are speaking. It's composed for the verb to be in present simple and verb in gerund ending in ing. Example, I am working. They are swimming. Number 9. How is the form of past continuous? Give an example of this conjugating a verb. We use the past continuous to talk about the past. We use it for an action that someone was doing or an event that was happening at a particular time. Example, it was raining.